Hello and welcome to the latest update from the Met Office. Yet again, Tuesday promises many places will be covered by cloud once again. There will be some sunshine coming through and a bit more, I think, compared to recent days, but it will continue to feel on the cold side, if anything, a bit colder compared with Monday. A few breaks in the cloud there as some higher cloud braces come westwards on Monday night, and under any broken cloud, a frost forming, most likely western and central parts of England into parts of Wales, western Scotland, where that frost occurs. Temperatures falling below freezing, -2 to -4 Celsius, sheltered parts of Wales, central England, -5 possible for central Highlands, for example, where we get prolonged clear spells. Otherwise, under the cloud, we're looking at 3 to 4 Celsius generally as we start off Tuesday. And a grey start for most of us on Tuesday morning. But, like I say, there will be some cloud breaks around, and increasingly so, I think, through the day. And so a better chance for central and western parts, perhaps a few eastern districts as well, western Scotland, for some sunshine. And in that sunshine, pleasant enough with light winds. But, of course, under the grey, gloomy skies, which we've seen so much of during recent days, not feeling quite so pleasant. Highs in the east of 4 to 6, 8 Celsius in the far southwest, still with a keen breeze coming in from the southeast. Into Tuesday night then, and more widely, cloud will break up, I think, and under those clear spells, a fairly widespread frost forming, so a chilly night to come. And I think that away from Northern Ireland, Wales and the southwest, temperatures, certainly away from towns and cities, dipping below freezing. After that chilly but bright start to the day, well, a change is on the way. Atlantic-driven weather is wanting to push in, but to the north and the east, we've got this cold block, and that cold block is reluctant to give way. It will, though, for most on Wednesday, eventually allow this milder air to rush in. Now, these temperatures are indicative of the air at about 5,000 feet. But if we switch to the temperatures at the surface, they take longer to rise through Wednesday after that chilly start. And so it's going to stay cold at the surface in many places on Wednesday itself. Bright start for Scotland, England and Wales. Northern Ireland sees the rain arrive in the morning. And then the cloud thickens in many places. Western and central Scotland, parts of Western England and Wales see that rain turn up by the afternoon. Some heavy rain for a time, but it's a fairly narrow band crossing Wales and the southwest. More widespread across Northern Ireland and much of Scotland. Staying drier further east, but that's where the cold air remains. Temperatures not much lower than the low single figures, whilst much milder air, you can see a contrast for West Wales and the southwest, and in between a band of rain. And so that always poses the risk of some ice as it falls over the higher ground of northern England, as well as parts of Scotland, and perhaps some sleet and snow, primarily above 300 metres across Scotland. And that theme, with the cold air to the north and the east, and milder, wetter, windier weather arriving from the southwest, really establishes itself for the rest of the week and into Christmas weekend itself. It's the position of that boundary between those two air masses that will change from day to day and is open to some doubt by the time we get to Christmas Day and Boxing Day. But more is explained in the full week ahead forecast, which of course you can find on our YouTube channel, Twitter and our Facebook page. Follow us on social media for all the very latest. Bye-bye.